The European Parliament has approved a regulation that makes it quicker, easier, and cheaper to settle online disputes. Ruja Thun of the EPP Group is the rapporteur. Ms. Thun, could you explain to us a specific example of how this would work?
Imagine that you buy something online from a country of which the language you don't know, the legal order is not familiar to you, and you have a problem. The product you bought doesn't respond to your expectations, or the service you bought was not fulfilled properly, and you would like to get it somehow rewarded. What do you do if you bought far away and you don't feel familiar with the country? Usually you simply do not buy cross-border online anymore.
The regulation is among key actions pledged in the Single Market Act. How does it help to break down barriers within the single market?
This is a very concrete example. This is a barrier that was broken. The language problem, the law order of various countries in the European Union was a barrier for many people who intended to buy online from a different country. Now they can safely buy, because in case of a problem, they have this platform, ODR, that will translate the documents for us, that will contact the other part for you, and that will quickly solve your problem. But this is also important for the business, because on the business side, they can also use the platform, of course, in case they were not paid, for example, and they cannot communicate with the consumer. But also they say, if you do not go to court, there is no loser and winner, and they say, and we do not lose the clients. The arbitrage is always a more pleasant way to solve the problems. Pleasant, cheaper, and faster.
And how can this help online sales across Europe?
There is a calculation that we can spare through it more than 2%. So the prices do not have to rise or even get lower, because so much money will be saved on the courts. For example, this arbitrage, this alternative dispute resolution is very much cheaper, and we spare a lot of time and a lot of bureaucracy.
Madam Thun, dziękuję bardzo.
Ja też dziękuję. Thank you very much.